Hi friends! Today I want to show you this product that is like a money saver budget. It's color pink, it's so beautiful, and the texture is waterproof and resistant. You can close it with this magnet, and in the inside have all these compartments, so you can put here your notes or other papers. And with this you can use the environment saving challenger tracker. This is for a control of your saving money, and like this, and comes with these little pockets too. So comes to the number 1 to 100. So with this one you can take a control with this and this. That day 1, it's like a $1 that you put in this pocket. Day 2, $2 that you put in this other pocket. And you can take a control of your savings easy with this. You just have to mark when you already saved the money, and it's ready to start. So I'm gonna put every pockets like this. Give me a second. Our money saver is ready. We can start saving money today. See you.